Well, my shoulder's feeling a little better, so I'm going to try and do a little metal detecting today and make it up to my son's farm and try that old house again. I was talking to my oldest son, and he said that when my younger son bought that place where that house sits, there's some old outbuildings in the back, and they was out there looking around, and they found a jar of coins sitting on a beam. So I may check around inside that old barn and stuff. No telling, might be something buried. Could be that I just find a bunch of junk, because I think they done a little work on the vehicles back there. But anyway, got me a new camera here, and I'm going to try it. It'd be better than that old phone. See what I can do with it. I know one thing, it ought to show up all the bug splatters on my windshield. But anyway, we'll get back with you when we get up there. My hunting partner comes to see me every time. Hey, buddy. Okay, stepped out of the truck and I got a target right here. And I'll get back with you if it's worth anything. And we'll see. I'm going to dig it. I checked the hole, and all I found was a piece of toy car. So I'll get back with you on the next hole. Here's a little better look at that old house. There was 4 boys and a girl grew up here. I done found that out talking to my son this morning. He stopped by on his way to work. And I've been checking out along here along the driveway. And I've dug up about 6 or 7 memorial pennies. But got to be careful because there's fire ant hills there. Don't want to get into them. But right here along this driveway, just gravel underneath that grass. That grass just growed up over the top of that gravel in the past years. But that's where the driveway was. Anyway, I'll get back with you when I get out there to that old barn and go looking in it. We'll catch you later. And I got a solid 75, 78. That's usually a penny. Could be just junk. And boys done a lot of work on their vehicles here. So gravel underneath, it don't go very far. Let's see what we can find. Since I'm digging this live, well, it's going to be junk probably. Well, says it's in there. Have no idea. Yeah, well, I'll get back with you. Junk, little rivet. Just a little rivet. Okay, catch you at the next hole. Okay, I dug a 50 signal there and found a nickel. It's a 1960, I think. I can't hardly read the date on it. Maybe you can see it, but I believe it's a 1960, which is getting older, at least. All right, next hole. I dug a piece of junk here. I don't know what it is, just a piece of junk. All I can say. But, see, it's the next hole. Stinking Lincoln. I can't get no date off from it. It's too dark for me to see it. But I'm gonna go back there to that old barn here just shortly. See what we can find. All right, on to the next hole. Another stinking Lincoln. And the next hole. Yeah, the old barn. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I think they done some automotive work them boys did back in here. If they did, well, it's gonna be full of junk iron. And my AT Pro's just chattering like crazy. No matter where you lay it down at, it'll chatter. So we'll have to see. Get back with you. Yeah, what I thought. First two targets. Fishing lure right there. And an old alternator black bracket. So we'll have to check around a little more.
Well, I'm going to try it one more time. Old Permatex tube. Okay, on to the next hole. Just got a piece of junk out of this hole. Whole piece of wire grating. So I'll see you at the next hole. Bottle cap. Another piece of junk. See you at the next hole. Well, folks, and all you metal detectors out there, detectorists, there's my junk I dug today. And I've got one nickel. I think it was a 1960. Not sure. I think so. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 memorial pennies. So not too bad. I've hunted for about 2.5 hours. My shoulder can't take it no more, so I'm heading in. And I'll be back up here to hunt someday for sure. A lot of stuff still up here. So we'll catch you later. Well, this is what I found. 10 pennies, all memorials. The 3 bottom ones there are copper, early dates. And 1 nickel, 1960. But that's about it. Other than a lot of junk. But you gotta dig the junk if you're gonna find the coins. It's just the way it is.